Sane be show man na we dey. E na we no so nye say egu say na obetete ni na afia katuo mu sei na ka he erade bram papa bram na hadwe James Nanafo mecha wa wie wonu adwumafo ni na nyame sham no nka mo wate ebi ye de mpaibon paibo a nye sa pa de a abusuya say shia bi e ben den na Wednesday October bosome ya yegusu gire mu a oko speed ye ne da etoso aduonu. That's the 20th of October 2021. Na said the dada no a free sabre kwa akopem say ebebo nwume no nsia no Ofie Kwanso jumedi na ye de bro your friend Jerry Justice Papa Bills wa ha Sanso na African wa ha Jamestown Jeko so wa ha and as say your guess ayenya wo patro I am not saying guess to just say your girls but guess is it your guess ayenya wo ba kunu dia kam tim na ka ba kunu de no is it Hetty the end come team Herita Papa Bill so ba kunu friend saying Ella I don't di Manuela kind of break when said Ella no okay so Ella and Hetty almost so can any more nanti akwa pim se bebo enumre no nsia mama papa nyame be hwe why nyame be hwe nyame ti asi nko de emu be ye din se den na he den nyame ni wura mfiri ni ma why o man mu ye din se den kura na enya de nyame wura be firi ni ma nyame be hwe ti enko so ayi encourage di bia be fine no I can use to kill kids to paste for trim of France mama why mama when you are to a boss design come ya come pa dia mama frano eti fan penny for there na we twem se no entwi eye mofrano esen why ya the strawberry I want nti e ma mofrano kon do se dan den na wan de betwi wan se the ene say e protect omogam no e ma almost very strong and healthy, prevent cavity, and so it's a PBH aquine. And more from 2 to 6 years for a normal friend, you must say, come pa. If it's Samara Company Limited, FD is where Muji Muaja to say, yeah. Kelkes toothpaste, happy smile, Flora disposable handkerchiefs. Yeah, come for the amount PBH aquine. Opepa we are now attraction kama na chese ohwate abreni na what I say and onko dan channel your floral toilet roll floral multi-purpose paper towels floral box tissues anina no available in a shop near you. Open the door no afraid Delta Paper Mill Limited 0243 033 033. Absorb me joining me baby I will be access to Facebook and videos of our time video ben na ye and share ye be me the video be etoso ha e ma hwe sa video no na me say enti say kura yenya den na in that video no abrante bi akọ barbering salon amanfo ko yi omuti hoyi e na otewa na eso ne omkasa na lie bi sa na osesa nwini bi ehye botom de kwa ne ade a na se amanfo e de ye niema de omunu se odi onim obi onim hunhum nsem bia na obi so mo a wo kira onipa omore eye o fingernails and now toenails and now se utriwi ya ade bia se obi nya e wo ho a otimi de ye niema pa against you and obetimi de akokoye na de pa bi na sunsunsun so bone no about so tie kan ya na sinje say the mama wi mu ahu nje say ye koyi etiwi a yes say ye nwinu pakofia na say yenye den enenso video bi aba na no so afedi e den biem ko ewurade e pacho or access to Facebook bra na yenche sa video no na say dem say ya hwe ye bibi say nya de o na say de ekeka ko de nipa bonfo sem na dosu too much enti boru mu on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM na ene videos of our time yemfa enhihye so but in the meantime no mama min tu chema Ghana police mumien koni se ya na ebeye why eja na amaso no mama nhwe emfa ezuo nwuma nunum sese o de mon krokrom za ene me nam fiteme ba nya no just say point ubedu na police phone jinjin on ade a che say omo ba adwuma pa na metisi moto nso in fact me ye yibi kakra bi ntino me hwe time no na ma kaja ngum kakra na sen krom traffic no so ya na hadwen it na ese mitimi eco speed me amu speed as me pedada na me ya say late ntina eja wo mu pa ti mi rum sa na ade ti speed na me ba no na enya asem ketwa na me de tc n1 no so nyana na che se eja tua to pa ene mi wura no mawura sa ena me de tc circle achimota road so na no so sa eja tua to na che se mi wura no mawura sa afemi du aveno traffic light wa pe ena ade no so red ena me gina the next minute ena moto be gina me nchen na police for me you and I'm say officer roll down and I'm roll it down. Me good afternoon, me Jesus good afternoon. How are you? Me say I'm fine. Officer, where are you going? Me say I am going to the office. Why are you driving like that? And I'm so please, like how? You are speeding too much. And the way you keep maneuvering here and there, no, it's very risky. We've been monitoring you. And I'm saying, hey, I say, hey. The speed is too much. You don't drive in a city like that. And I'm saying, yes, it is true. I was speeding, pa. So no. So there who speed? I say, so where are you going? And I'm so I am just a few minutes away from my office. Me ba multimedia building mo ya. Na no krenya me anim de mun intro speed de makobi pa na me ya late me program be start sisi ya na. I say, hey, we wanted to follow you. Na yenhwe onipa ko awoye. Na baby a wo kono ye ni wachi ankodu oni yenhwe say ebia criminal de bi na because o speed na odi na no na. Na I'm say I am pa. Me sorry. So masa next time bibi ni a obisi mutemu asimutem men kokoko sa speed way in the city like that. Na I'm say hey. Bro, we dey konenko esa bi mu bi pa o na. Enti say Jack, mama ya ni na o na onwa ya wad. But I saw mutimi ne sa. Enti we fan say anka me criminal guy bi a on. Anka ban sa na ho no me yes ana na ya search wo kam ni ade a ayi bia na ade na ya bo akiri ana omo adu ntente sa ade wakọ kopie ba bi ku akọ na ade bia na chese ya do abọkọ. Enti adwuma de eno na moye no. Monyire mo ho a vim na mo de ahyem no mo maso nte because say nipa bone na toso. Ghana police monyire mo ho ejara mo man hihye saa ne ade a mo twa no mo nanum why esrem a ye penisi oh akwa was you na je you all be you homa and oh na dey papa mu asa boni mu so asa say ye ka say the ade bi ko yie no bi ye na nya ka yenso bibi say say yenso ka onipa aka no kra no afi chale enti mitu chama mwai adwuma na moye no moyire mo sa say cameras na okurum no wona moye wo say nya adwuma ho hwe say won ye na say wo monitor man ya me nam kwan so ba na what I say traffic filter ba bi obedu bi obon say camera na esizu no hwe omo hwe omo get to wa omo hwe the entire city de ekoso nyina they see it enti moma yani na ho na yenye de ye wa kwantempo awodo nyina so ebeboa ya afe yamra Facebook na ene videos of our time menche won kra very very simple video Yen first was ma Aqua Tabs water purification tablet. Yes. Aya fa bi tu nsuo no mu. Na microorganisms e wo nsuo no mu nyina no. Enkum mo nyina. Se be ya betimi avoid waterborne diseases. Very simple. And also look out for Aqua Tabs food safe. Wako chroma cultured fruits and vegetables edi abana. And for ordinary water and wash home. Use Aqua Tabs food safe. Never wash ho nyina na honte kama. Ansa na ma consume. And kratwe FDA muhwemu agya tum se emu ye. Chemical shops, pharmacies, supermarkets how do ni na mu no. They are available on cry now pedo afre 020-907-7726 or Kumasi afre 050-169-4275 Monso Amoko Fruity Amofre 0244-593-381 Dodo Bia Unia Biano Yabema Wonsaka. Now the Omunina said the medical dia to any. And che bia wo dwumadie so videos of our time where they bre on na ya branti bia wa borura babrin salon bi na ote hwa wa bra pade no yi training ya we no na ode nine gada nwine o na osesa no de hye no botum osesa no de hye no botum a na wan kira won timi no koye ye nema eti ono de be kwa koye na ade ama na koyi ama no but wo anwini ye onwini no na wo na akwa akosofa enne nso fufuo bi apie na we de ehu pa Gladys Night, Tata said, good afternoon, Jerry. Listening to you at Teshinungwa. Samuel, Sika Kwame. Same, sound net them. Ohima Lumba. Or say Shatawale. One granting the bill. We Homina Adu. Or say Brad Jerry, good afternoon, ma. A good nana trash. And then Thomas stay we are Dutching. Or say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Azoy man say Jerry mi jinamu den wa Azoy fashion ye no wo aguna swedro na fe ye movie ko animo Sandra Otu Sandra say no sound hey no sound if we are those Lindy ono so dey aba say good afternoon uncle Isaac Adom kwesi nyameche message na ira Facebook. We shall see so kind of messages ni dwani san ade na ekosa na ira. Asemo. Patrick Kou also Jerry. Prince Oliver Cooper. Also Jerry, next time try and leave home early. Why? Yo. And Obosika also they should have arrested you like Chatawale. Ebebo Trisudio. I dream Pomonia. Kwadro Apia on the Srea no Srewa. John Anujo. Also good evening, Jerry. Watching you live from East Legon. Nafe trust me ko anymore. Celestina Agbozo. Also good afternoon, Jerry. I see you do Isaac Blues. And also I say Mangwase Brad Jerry, you too much. Hey, anyway. So far, Mensa said, Jerry, please, I am here. Greetings to you. And then Grace Obaya Alote. I say, happy birthday, though belated. Then come my brother, Prince. Away banana in. And I feel your boy Kweku also watching you live from CAC near Seshi Debiso. Edu Boahin said, Jerry, I love Adom FM program. Pats, I'm Wenima. Honestly, good afternoon, Jerry. Osu Techi, Eduomi. I say, Jerry, keep the fire burning. And I feel, and your Ruthie. I say, Jerry, good afternoon. I feel Shay. Money Boss and also say good afternoon, Jerry. Philippa Gamo also say good afternoon. And say hello. One can good afternoon. We say hello, Jerry. Also good afternoon, Jerry. Justin. Lexus Wedi say. Then what tree? ugly. I don't get you. I don't get you. Okay, it's Yamura and that video. Yan Chawon, baby. Na afi Yanfa Jumedino and Kaye and Twelso. Yanko Yenim. Me pacho Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Brasisia na o access to Facebook kwadia na ebehwe ene video ya yeyi. Video ni na se de me ka se na anu ada yeyi ba kwa abranti bi akoba brain salon na wabɔ mmɔden a akwakɔ sisa enwi amanfo nwi omo abeyi egu no ene nso de yi abai me pacho take note video ya me be yi a kyerɛ wi eye Nigeria na ade na si na sankrofo nso de unse omo so de omo ma omo nan so a na sia omo ha bruta na enema bone no omo ye omo honi na so no omo nya kwanya be bowura ha no mo de yamabunu no so wuram bisa na ade a etiese etimi ma yeni da ho eti take note say video no efi Nigeria. Now in the video you see Jeko yanko Fatoso Street na ekuni na ye bon komo aha eti mpacho sebe na beti ase yi no bra yen Facebook page won on Adom 106.3 FM na ebehwe video no why abranti yi na dwemu da opa o how be ani na dwemu oye correct 100% but obo pa hihye entade ye ntoma gubi ntade bi aye fibi eno no anso ni ti wa ye nte se African mu de bi uhunu ho a se bodamfo wa ye no ho te se obi a wa bodam pepepe ena wakọ bola so na bola so na wakọ no refuse dump mame kan sa na what ya say ena okoto bola no so I said obodamfo say uhu madman no na bola so dey say dey ho dey normal sasa ne manemati bia leftover foods ne ade bi kra ase kra bum se bodamfo no di ni ade bola so sasa ne manema normal ba se na kwai omodam na sister ba ku bi no se ote won hwa branch na but hwa branch no the way your ben nante besin ko wura bola no so any ni movement ni said the way ni amotimi se akwa no enter the fin keke no wa hye da hyehye bo hwe nanim no hwe na no ho pa na ade utimi se akwa no omodam onim de oye eti no say oma amanfo aso te say da bi o suspect sa kwa no oyo mo a etimi di nipa ho ade ekoye aduro ni bi eti no say obo akire eneja amanfo ebo dompim won so eti omo ye so omo de omo sabe keka na fi o hwe say de na squad na ba no na so ka no kre ti hwe couple ba akokra de we ni belt a o se wan ka no kre na obebo no eno de phone asini so ache say yetwa nti amofo video na ane ade a asem tentini ti watwam nyina ne say abrantie ya wae ne ho se wabodam a wahya atade a yefia wae ne ho basabasa nyina wote bola no so no enya ade bia na osesa bola no so say diapers used diapers ena osesa enti amanfo a omo awo nkola fresh akola so de all the diaper no ba akola no dwunso gum twom na ayakotu na bono to sa untimi ya say obeyi no as o de foforo asa abono ana akora ye ojana na agumpe se uyi diaper no na osan de diaper foforo ebo abofra no na wawie no sa diapers no untimi mfa anye hwe je se okotugu except for the reusable diapers no eno kra no awofo no bebre kra mpe say diaper me dia babofra na wadwo so gumu ha na say be watwa no to agumu awia na masansan awohye san de ma no sa reusable ones no parents be break rantai emfa mo no ba eti de nya yen say wo de diaper na babofra na awie no what disposing of eti say use diapers no and na brantie so esesa efi bola no so and omo bisa no say na use diapers ya wo se say eno so ase ne sen ne megu ball esu bebre wonfa bibia say use diapers afede abrant en koka onu mum de onim de entina oga we say make it bring na che say ono enye ono ane pe no de aba wo sesa use diapers na fi ball anso na emum no ne boss bi e wo ho a wa hye no kutupa say onye no hote se obi a wabodam said the bear or cosesa use diapers na fi ball anso a onkonya trouble bia na onsesa famre no na che say onfa koye na de tie watwam nyina ne say or the use diapers no e kwa koye aduru ne boss e na asoma no ti on bisa say ne boss no we also ide no so there be ene wo ne achew etu ne be delay with you say wan kire your boss no de a ti afi na che say last minute no eso pomo choka chom say o de on be call boss no na say the be ya on be spend life enti say yenye den wasete mu biem enti ya de diaper so boy ba wi a say bia kola yi akọ agana agum awie nsu eno so say yenye de ya pe ba bi run we fie wa na say I mean how nanka de udi agu bin mu akoto agu bola so awie a anka e de asem kura biem ena say de enti mu de ba wi asi how na dacha ebinum nam no musasa ema amuasin ipade ema ya yusu awi a sebe won moja wo mu ayakoto agu na manfo san kwa akosesa e de kwa akoye niema na eka sei enti sei sa niema ne ehfa biem yenkotumu ana se ye wi a ye hire wo efie wa na just say how me dwen wa mente ase say ye mo ye ni brain ye very prayerful power ye seek your hu ye because the other day na papa bi ye hu adwuma ye ka say sa na ma no dangerous but enyo bia so na sa de ni timi no there are some people the fire that is burning around them no o de ne ho ade bi koye sa ade bi sa kra e backfire. We should all be prayerful and we should all pray and ask God na on strengthen your mind namsa ejane ne wo ye ho sa se de be a ya no mu by mistake om konya bibia om timi fanye ehwe enye sa de a wada na egu abontin o afi obey diaper yakodi ya no fo nsem de akoya ade a ena akore de twe ade a twe de sei na efie gye na adum be se sika twa kwa hospitals nyina na so na ya no ne kuramu ye mo ye ni na ho na ye mompaye pa na sisi nipa bonefo sem no adoso papa na niema binim say ye fire ho no sa no niema binim sa na I don't know if there's another way that we can go about it or something. I don't know. I can't say if I'm sure abusia Goyle say any high grade fuels no the aba say obekoto fu obi na di gu kam na fie kwa na atwitwini mu sa de to Goyle higher grade fuel no proven and accepted, tried and tested, proven and accepted. What I say we know all the modern cars here baba here say engines papa BCC mu udi gumwa and then a very suitable pa what the superior qualities in na to nchen kra na Goyle higher grade fuels no ya to ebo ase assign F45 no feather with the XP3 additive and no a multifunctional enhancer. Yeah, a man more efficient, eco-friendly. Now a ton at no extra cost. It is more than and it just some crown say available every Goyle fuel station BMO across the country, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. So go on and fill up with Goyle high grade fuels. Ajibe bia Goyle good energy Goyle. Yeah, dim Maunsa and count there. And what Abusia and Rana may catch you say oba na akolano be no phone or kusku crowd team concentrate near the adiano. Now because you may debia say iron deficiency anemia, a hydrin. And unti Bomodia say Sanj Yumuya Babe talk it just said 6 out of 10 children below 5 years are affected by iron deficiency anemia. Obebo more than say be obano enquire part of the 6. Na kwenti wa be faso nyina say sa iron deficiency anemia obe ye few a so to be iron rich foods contumely abedru liver red meat fish shrimps eggs boko boko, alefu, granules, beans, cowpeas, face green leafy vegetables, and iron fortified foods, binom to say iron fortified milk, and iron fortified cube spices, and also eat me a good sauce pa. Tibomodia na yenyen kakra say na iron deficiency anemia no yentu ase kra enfio. Na fe connection so wonso wadi di awie no se be na onipaduan betimi atwe iron nutrients na waduan mu yie pa no. Aye di fruit aye rich in vitamin C eguso one say unya orange bi ana pineapple bi pawpaw bi ana mango sana udidi we ya na wadi eguso ema eboa ema otimi twe iron nutrients na ewo aduan na odi yenimu ntentem pana. Live strong with iron. Inkukrum kakra say ya na bibia ebe fine. Uksuti 106.3 Adom FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. Now say there, delivery service I won't cry. Yes, order your favorite food from that special restaurant and now deliver package and now per crowd it me shopping groceries from that supermarket all on Glovo app no that me catch us say and yes easy and convenient to use keke nembum who use me expect orders no delivered to you in minutes. Download the Glovo app no from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Now I sign up in here. Now what you see a delivery service no in Accra. What I say? So I say BBL kuyi kama papa. Try use that promo code with Global Day GH GLOVODEYGH Global Day GH. Now obenya 10 CDs off your first order with Glovo. Order anything and get it delivered in minutes. And that's what it is. Obey your insurance, so they are finish insurance. It's answer any two claims in temper. Yeah, there are somewhere die no die can say you will rise again when disaster strikes. At Torrencham ne ba, Bema, Obesan Sorejina Nasu be Mwati. It's answer what don't want bedon Phoenix Insurance. Your fire, motor, accident, marine, engineering, and a few bonds. Yeah, Nina, insurance policies. And they ultimate to insurance policy at the fat and short code you so very simple cross *389*79*. Now I follow prompt no 1 hour chrono. And Chichimu a question be our phrase 0302 246 319 a phrase 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. Shoba. Unim says say with HD plus decoder no. And then you can have control over, baby where, when, and how you watch your favorite TV shows. Oh yes. I'm TV viewing experience no just I take it to the next level cry. With me pause it, with me rewind it. So what I say, now what replay live TV. It's a be a watch Adom TV na be a scene be near the others. Hanuma uni with me say coachy. No asa kwa what pause kakra. No asa kwa no abrade. Yes, HD plus decoder. Let you move to me and you know. And not to me cross sign a record upcoming shows no cry editor. Who program VBA say and you may Black Ofie Kwanso on a wife on the barber family yakwa sister Joa and Sana. But Adom TV for you almost said the big talent show 8:30 p.m. and now also say by age 20 pepe no do be fire call. And once we program here then say 8:30 and run to amount. It the Black Ofie buy obefa mo anamoko. Obeba na aron to ama na wato boas na wawa ba behwa. Umpe na be there. Do mwede. Ni nyina ne say wopese utimi yes our features here make wopese etimi ekoso sa ma pepepa. Any on second HD plus decoder na abomodin ape USB flash drive I was storage size of about 4 gig be na odi atwam wachi wo pe de amano boko eno ano no etene bibia utimi rewind ne ade apo so e san ye replay san record to ne ade nyina all the amichi emu ye buruta eti patcho frɛ na eje wo de enye we pro ye won niam features ne bebre ba mitimi kan na etu de frɛ na eje further details no 0242 439 872. That's 0242 439 872. HD Plus decoder. The Philly experience. A guy brutal. Shoba. And she be about to try somewhere to on for an area. I will feel quite media so Adom 106.3 FM. Sure. Nemom say na wonimu dia, I guess by now you know. Say ne Jumia under romanti. Utimi shop ya. O shop sa. Now making more savings. Yes, with Jumia Prime. Etienne, komodian say Jumia Prime also betimi atwa tumbi. Say we a Jumia Prime subscriber. 1. Unya unlimited free delivery on both Jumia Mall and Jumia food orders. And then number 2, Unya extra 10% discount on official store orders exclusive to Jumia Prime. And then 3, Unya instant refund on returned items. Inti bi ade bi a bekoto bi na bi a hwe obedu ye size na yen no ane ade chese instant refund na chese edem skodom. So subscribe now at 50% off and save more on Jumia. Epacho phrase 0302 740 643 for further information. Jumia, your everyday delivered. Ne wa semarayen Shoba. Epacho, take note of the date here. Minim say na why we na da. Why said the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair Jumedi no. Oh baby. And the date no. Yeah, they are back Thursday the 28th to Monday the 1st of November 2021 at the Accra International Conference Center. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. And the Jumedi no yeah they brewo. Eti bomodia. Home ownership, to buy or to build. Yeah, the home share no bro. When you have further inquiries, be afraid 0546 908 179 and 054 011 0389. You try further details. Na bibi anko yema. Ochina Thursday. Nyame ya Adom Ochina 8 a.m. Na share no ashase. Throughout the month of October, Tema Women's Hospital organizes free breast cancer screening on the premises. Wow. Every Tuesday and every Thursday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Yeah, the sunshine, bro. Oba, Brana, yenye unufunumu shishemu kakra. Or how be or baby and when you are in Temwa, yet me ask for non tem. Now I'm quite your how Cassie, and no one some one and why. Edition so now a fan with Jimby. Now be Beko ye. I was trying to figure out boy on I share as some way to your home for. I will feel quite media so Adom 106.3 FM. Sure, Baba. Nemom Shano say in the month of October, yeah, Guswa enjoy. Gold TV is full of endless, captivating drama. Nina say nay. Gold TV Mao, Europa and Conference League. Yeah, matches Nina. So never miss a day with your favorite football stars. And I feel Gold TV SIA Brown, Boundless Novelas. Obabe share a Strange Love, and I feel Mariam Khan on Star Life, and I feel Perfect Husband, and Money Merchant on Z-Well, Sanso and Lolly Slack, Ejogu on Telemundo. ni nyina obetimi atwa tum na nso ahwe bi after ban local series and movies nso Africa Magic Family, Africa Magic Epic, and I feel Rock GH, and for those of you who are yearning for more football action, and we've got you covered on Serie A, La Liga, EPL, the Dutch, Belgian, and Scottish leagues Nina on Go TV. So rush now for your new Go TV decoder at a reduced price of 89 cedis only. Opesoto new Go TV decoder. Just SMS Go TV to short code 1731. Now if you want download the my Go TV app now, so you can manage your accounts with ease. Terms and conditions apply. Go TV, love it. All right, so let's jump into this one from my friend. Just done. Now, a friend you way. Medawase. Thank you. And what you need, I share somewhere near you to home for media so.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Sesiana obi asend me police for info bi omo de trouble ten awoye Canada na caption na say what share a story now headline no or say Toronto police me can say the omo Toronto Toronto police looking to identify alleged dirty diaper theft. thief. That is a also Obi area use diapers. Hey, what Canada so? Atija. Okay, so I say, police in Canada are looking for a guy who visits daycare centers, downstairs. Now we're looking for diapers. Well, but you say used to make money. I don't know how. Anyway. It's too nasty, but we just need to be very, very, very careful. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please kindly wish Catherine, that's Mrs. Catherine, a champion of HM Alpha Impex, a happy birthday. You have always been an important person in our lives, not only to our family, but also as a friend. We wish you all the love and happiness in the world today and always. From your big sister, Theo, Momo, Kobe, and then Kelvin. This is Kelvin. Come to 22 Anes. Omonomodenche Emawo. Thank you. A happy birthday, do be later than come out Abena room. Hey, anyway, there be a meeting for say ROOM a room. It is a VBD and Indiana room. So a happy birthday, do be later than come out Abena room. Also known as Street Berry of Chifo Praso. And a student of our Asin in Suta SHS, wishing you God's blessings, more wins and prosperity from your senior Amino K3 IDC Young Gold. Hey, babe. And then a happy birthday going out to Kobe Brown, also known as Skinny of Springtest Manette, wishing you God's blessings and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday today from Starboy Manuel. And happy birthday so Uncle Emma Deacon Francis Apia Busu of Dakuman, Na Shika Street, and also a member of the Church of Pentecost, Dakuma Nyameche District, Mispa Assembly. May the Almighty God shower his blessings on you, and may he guide you and protect you and give you long life and prosperity from Starboy Manuel. And a happy birthday going out to Gifty Nora of Spinters. Welcome back from the United States of America. This one is coming in from Don Shaggy. Walanyo in Akwetia, also say happy birthday, and Koma Chum Berima, also of Akwetia. And then a happy birthday also going out to Corinne Douna of Lottie's Cake and more. May this day bring you all that you wish for yourself from your friends and loved ones. Okay, but do you do any more by a Ryle? say good afternoon, bro. Kindly wish my sister, Mrs. Catherine Champon, I say with my own, of Community 6 Tema, happy birthday. Want to wish her God's grace, long life, and good health as well from the big sister, Theodora of Tema. All right, so say, baby, I do know, Yabeshe, na asemwa ene ewie yede tu ye hofono yede eno so atoaso usutie Ofie Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic for my Bright Garlic Capsules, Bright Garlic Plus Capsules. And I feel so a MTN and a Door Master and put my paint the Pomadama. And I eat here somewhere to for an area. I will feel Kwanso so I don't 106.3 FM. Patro, and as some of the person no channel. It is something that I saw on the internet. Me saw ya match na me na mwana me hwehwe de ekoso what Twitter near near, you know. I was just reading around. Now I saw something and I was like, oh, this is cool. Let me share this with my listeners today. It's impactful. You assume it ye. Now a very, very, very important. Uncle Sam Nyabotre. A very, very, very important. You assume pa na 18 ye. And that's them to your phone. Or say, the person you will be or will become in the next 5 years depends largely on this. And you may try to assume you. Not just say, "Nay, Sabre ya utie me, wa utie me, ane me ankasa meti ye nyina." En penso e bedu abrabom, enfie beye se enum a edi anim. De ye beye wa abrabom ana de beto ye wa abrabom, se de obra no besi akwa afa no. Ne dodo pa no ejina saa niema me bebo so yi, eye niema enum. 1, the books you read. 2, the food you eat. 3, the people you spend time with. 4, the habits you adopt. And 5, the conversations you engage in. You might see it say, oh, these are every day, but this morning I thought of it. I was just thinking a lot of things were going through my mind. Now I made me whole example. Me share the friends I have around me. Now me share me conversations and never be more. You see, there are some people one now bet me a baby. There's a conversation going on your part of it that. I'm for back car bet him grab no more boni do Charlie. Oh, they know what you know as right because ultimately our conversation if I could do baby. But to be so hard and follow obey jambi only fact be as no can be. Yes, I said from the top. The books you read. Sometimes ubetimi akokan woman bi ma ebe change your orientation for good. I thought that your upbringing said the etete and never be values being where they kra. You can read some books and you have a change of mind. Say no what's san e dey free dey ehun e dey kọ dey enye ho eno so yɛ possible and now betimi asesa free dey enye ho e dey aba dey eye ho. It's not say the things we read, you know, it minya ensunsuanso e wɔ yɛn so. So you need to be very careful in choosing books to read. Articles ne tabloids I would do back in kan ne ade nyina no. You need to be very careful. Enye bibia saa keke na esa okan. When me say amount for a year your courtism near the idea, if people can just sit and read books keke, and then now I take you over their lives, then they start practicing the things that they read from the books, and they become for now almost practice now almost do just by reading keke. That is why you need to be careful when it comes to the stuff that you read, and it might not be just book keke. tangible say crown some now kind. Now on your phone. Ebi answer me call 2 a.m. and mochi. It was on my phone, and I'm sorry I'm matching, and I'm in Twitter. And I make sure dear course we are near the and I chanced on this. So equally you can be holding your phone. What could be no kind. Oh, and if you want to become this, go here, click here. And they'll say the walk and then at the last minute, no one baby that you didn't want to be. So number 1, the books you read. A brainty, influence you on number 2. The food you eat. What the hell swatches are there? What brown sa no. I feel back akra. I feel like what do a boy you pick baby pa and so yare uncle chum. I feel like akra udi see na feel that na hospital there be a hospital sir. I see timi hwe ye di mu wie eye. Ye di healthy foods. What I say? And yet dead na betwe say just say we ye sikani as what timi adi aduane pa o. Masa obi o wi asikan na so aduane fo an wodi no en so odidi ama. What I say? But obi so yeni wa bia wa twini mako kakra bi anya emma bi kakra de atwim ne ade oh ede enwo kokko bi kakra guso a kusua ba ko bi danche eno anu wa wie ede edi na pesi papa bi okono ba bi enye yanom de a chicken ikura tumi se o do si kam finfin tumi se finfin na ko anomo china nu finfin o enso adon say ya spice na I who didn't not have it from sounds ade a. Oh, so let's be mindful of the food we eat as well, because nyame de obetimi aboa o anka wankasa no o destiny nka obeyi obi abenyi ache, but when timi anhwe wadidie mu yi a yare betimi atete wa ama eno so akwakoye adefoforo afi ebe kakra na adwuma yi obi anka ye very competent pa anka eni da so se obetimi aba beboa no ene wo de yare ochina wo de sesa na adwuma akra no ontimi ntene ho empu enwaye. That's number 2. The third one, the people you spend time with. And the Mekasa Meka, and don't cry a whole topic. The people you spend time with. Makanwa has severally said, I don't treat all my friends equally. And the upper can say me discriminating family. And I can't do that. Because Obiani Nisubai, it is said your madam Fubia Tiano, meaning how to relate to. And I said it here some time ago, say, Adam Fubi Honomoa in my sleep. So friend said Jerry say hurriedly, SM me attend to. But Adam Fubi so friend ya, I might not pick it at that odd hour no. And I may fuck right, me excuse say me mean to me ma. Because a baby or do be coffee fan no, you wouldn't like it. So you need to be careful. The people you surround yourself with, those you call your friends, the people you spend time with, those you hang out with. Obi o hono mo oh yenko jam ya eno ne do ko down for beba anka saafo no kan won kan ho bio but who do adanfo bi achi no so yenko jam ha ehwa na akonya aban asem ehwa na akoto amanem yesi bebre ama amanem ma. Be very careful the people you spend time with. Obi o hono mo the little chance kaka no benya to be in your skin no abusia obetimi apolitu adwen ama wan hwe ya wadwen pa kakra ode na mo anyame boa wan kakra won satimi ko wanu yi ebe kakra na wayi wasi nchen, then you are doing something else enam kwem. You call the next one, the fourth one, the habits you adapt. Sa habit ya be adapting so no edi ejina niam a yedi kan aka yina so the books you read, the food you eat, the people you spend time with. Sa fo yina sa niam yina you know etimi ma wa adapt a certain habit bi ebetimi edo akọ say yim. Same way sa fo yina so no ekwan bi so no ebetimi aboa wo am wa adapt habit bi a eno so betimi do akọ yediem, because you can spend time with some people and they will change your life for good. Ebi obrana obone kwan na nam so no kranye, but the people you hang out with, we are very careful. Now we are discerning enough. We betimi rolling with the people some microphone betimi anya good influence our life, so I'm change it from that person you that bad person you were now about be ni papa. saa so na ebia na wadidie mu kra na no ada na enye eno so betimi aye ni ya ma eno so kra no eno so baba be kan ha betum say de me ebia ebo this time I don't eat food like this like that I don't eat them near there. Saa so na books ya reading so near na ade enso betimi aba be kan ho bi. Share the last one. The conversations you engage in. Abusia enye bibia na ese odo anu tumbi. And this one mame you know short kakran from me see and the social media so. Obi on mo ahon pam je ne just asem bia ma bibia person be ka bi. This one who's here bibia person comment bi bibia person che na adwin bi. And in so doing bomu ana fe na waye yawa. Enye by force enye nhye say you need to be part of every conversation. Hwede pie free wanu mu eba because the empanifo ate ase na ya gye atum nso no pa no so ne say the free mu ba no e kire the sort of person you are. Ti wan hwe ya be bi wanu anu akoka zem na obi dira bi obi kura no nipa akonkwa yo ferifo bia na obi obu obi o respect obi kura wadwe ho adwempa bi anka oba be boa wo. But a certain comment binti assemble PF when muba yinti it could change that person's mind. Na fe esi wo ha. Medimu si achia mu pi. Me nko bebre me kasa me metimi dey preach. Oh. Asem we metimi dey word fu the fa ba ku bia. Kasa wache but a brainty yemfansi ya dachi bia no. De nyame de beba na besan to aso. Nyame hwe aso ya asuntie. Mpacho just don't listen to it keke. Me da bia me ne mo cha asem na me ne mo che na na me so me fom de no me so me de ye madwuma sa o. Yemfa mo aboy ho. Bright garlic plus capsules. Na dwuma o ya na say improve blood circulation. E boost your appetite mo timi di ye. Immune system no so gina ye. A sign control cholesterol and a blood pressure any sugar levels pa. And you want bright soja capsules enhance libido, sexual weakness in the back, waist pains near Nina or country drug in the bio. Tenatet herbal shops near them across the country. Tribe of Judah, El Kaswa, Ebio, and yes, sir. We call Greenfield Scientific About Clinic. Do bio here piano. On Sabe can be to our phrase 0243 983 906 and our 0261 651 898. Now do bio here piano. Yama on sa aka. MTN Gusu celebrating the 25th anniversary. The 17 work of MTN at 25 mega promo at the Aba. Also, cause why use MTN number no fakasa fa test fa browsing. Use MTN app no post app no momo no so use sa and again more points. Now be nya kai mu ba ko etwi. Vroom when I was saying. Dial star 156 hash today to begin your journey to win big only on MTN everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Finally, your fast day door master and Pubman Paint Depot. Also, bra, never enjoy a 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. You endorse on their doors pa. So two baby. Nina say you will external steel security doors and internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors and armored doors. Bathroom doors, glass doors, flash doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors. Ni now born so that form. Oba painter from where your partner with News Paint. Any additional from by a friend paint now, pay later. Ni na say any ya mo akwanya. Say your schools, churches, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Mo magic paint. Do be a munya bia mo fan ko pretty facilities no yen spread this can mam na mo tutua nkakra wa bra yen fa interest bia ento so ema mo obenwu ya hia kwan e wo ye Pubman on the Accra Kumasi highway yo Pubman to booth wa so original to booth wa wani tuan shop no egita wo de bia afre 0542 745 222 and afi 050 021 2447 yabajo so na abwa na bibia so akoye e de ama. Ladies and gentlemen, baby adwe there says Scott atnase dada nti around the world in 5 minutes any day 12 so yi say wawa boko say wawa. I feel cause look at say wawa. Near fuck a crans also. Say wawa. And no so kaka. Say wawa. Say wawa. Nice. Akwaba.
Yenu abrapeni.
Emponu to say
Nyame Adom na mpa choso e.
Adom nti me hoye pa.
Da twedi ampo Nyankopon ba sai Adom na se.
Great. Yanko yenimu.
Brother,
yay.
If you think Chinese products are fake, try their poison.
What say?
Say, if you think all Chinese products are fake,
try their poison.
Please try their poison. A group of slim girls in a pool. They look like boiled spaghetti.
Aye.
They look like boiled spaghetti. I'm telling you.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Oh, they all. This year, by the time the year go, they go beat you, the short girls, the slim girls. Oh, I'm not collaborating.
Whenever you see, say a girl has started showing unconditional care towards you. My brother ran away. Her birthday is just around the corner.
What's it?
Yes.
Louder, please.
Me say, whenever you see, say, a girl have started showing you unconditional care, just know, say, her birthday is around the corner.
Okay.
I always say, remember to pray for your partner before you sleep. If
Pray
you are single
before you sleep.
Yes. If you are single,
okay,
pray for your country. You can't be totally useless. If you are single, pray for your country. If you think you are tired in this world, just remember, say, someone just met your ex thinking he or she has met an angel.
Hey, yes.
Oh, yes.
Obi ka dada obi there brand.
By kind case, you faster than farmer Ginny food.
Yeah.
Ginny sunflower cooking oil, Ginny rice, Ginny mayonnaise, Ginny milk, Ginny sardine. Of food product I would be for when it's a macacho se tuna cotton. Oma teteso. One say Omuma if ye get the papa from one matrophes 0540 108 531. Mami signs way my baby and into the bobodia na fre womo. Last one 0540 108 531. Frejini food for this year.
Okay.
Brother, mami fa unko Kenya. Na unim.
Debbie.
Yajeli Abranti be 16 years. Adentia. Yajeli ni 16 years. Wako repu school akwada we di 15 years. Ti wutum say yahwa akwala ni age no so na omo hwe no akwa nka afia ye besimia November obedi 16 tie de aka na ho. Ono so nko di 16 years. Ewoje na onhwe ha wa esitie se wudi saa sebe ense hunu ya. Enipa ba kwewu miensa edan ebuegu omso so omawu so mu ye entimi confirm e we Lagos. Sisi ame na okasi akoya atorenchem ene ahreho sempa. Intino 3 people ne there just say they are inside the room trap they are being trapped there. Akoye arehosem. Me ko meni mu na me di esi no. Facebook and they want to say omo ba be research ahwe say omo platforms no course ben and edema enkwada
Nancy, oh, me feel. Hey, Charlie, this is me Bako Crow. I think I read something. Me feel the lady in question, Kasana or Kansa. Not any brepa against Facebook. Ninano was say effect a bank colasso. On Facebook usage near the
yes.
Me refi.
I almost also be survey research. No mashe say whether good less than the negative and I said the bad and I feel
okay.
Let's wait for the outcome.
All right.
Me too kind me do be see.
Okay.
Name before I mess or maybe can your mommy and son actually when make us a bi.
Okay.
Didi kind. Men with big belly. Do you know that they are really confusing kiss? Men with big belly, omu confusing school kolapa. Omu join say mema no, and mema, and a young boys, and a man no young girls. According to my research, am I? Oh yes, many bresem papa. Dear Tosumino, if you marry a good woman, automatically when you're a prayer partner. If you marry a good woman, Bradgery, automatically when you're a prayer partner. If you marry the other ones, you have a prayer topic. Aye.
Okay.
Yes. The last one, Afegana Funti. Bradgery T is and say ye foot wosukura na bebo. Fa. Wouldn't say nobody drive faster than a man going to drop a lady whose the lady has refused to sleep with. O tukana wonyina.
Or didn't buy one
Wamananwe. No kwesina.
Or didn't econo.
O chika nentem papa.
Any gamanefa ubango.
O dia beba cream. Itu ba amazi young. Nobody drive faster than them. So Obane refuses on any. That is the square root of Satanism. But me come on to say, what I am and the work. Oh yeah, I was no. Okay, now Ubo answer Beman will give you up. Traffic is traffic on peso obejina. They didn't hear this escort. They be a mekasa wo kwa chimo dan ye fe kurubi KJB na chesa wo kan na wajebi. French ni ebeka che say Jivel
Capel.
Na chesa wo tete den kura na wo mo beche wo.
Good.
Bradgery.
Yeah.
Makrawo.
And I say Scott in ten kano. Around the world in 5 minutes on the brain. This is Samini.
Let all your worries wash away into the ocean. And when the sun shines, let them tears dry. Let me see that smile on your face. Your face.
Oh, I wanna make you mine. Can't you see sign? Got me blind. I wanna keep it 65. The reason why I can't be around is the fact that I'm moving all around with my sound. Oh, baby, don't you worry. I'm sorry when you need me and I just can't be found. Sorry. Honey, just hold on strong. It will be too long. Your rest of man will be my baby. I know it's been a long while. Baby girl, let me see that smile. Again and again.
When the
Wife of Minister Seth Kwame Amankwa Fojo, aka Unyamija of Banner of Grace Ministries, Dowenya. Greet you, Afina, the way by.
I wanna love you cause you be realistic. And above everything,
You're not materialistic. I don't wanna lose you. True, my mistake. I be the one to suffer the pain and reject.
my shit your body to the soul.
Where's something?
Baby, things are never gonna be the same.
I flex on MTV and BBC. I've been almost everywhere the BGs be. This is me. Memories, you never been so free.
So baby girl, won't you wait for me?
Oh, please.
I'm coming to let you have a good time.
taste of me. Wind that place for me. Smile on your face for me. Oh yeah. And I don't worry, wash away into the ocean. Ocean. And when the sun shines, let the tears shine, let me see that smile on your face. Your face. I'm coming home. Coming to my baby girl, she's so cold. I'm coming home. Coming to my darling girl, she's so cold. Abusha, yeah, I get a sponsor. A special happy birthday and Mrs. Yvette Edu Date of site 17 and then come to one Presby Church. May the Almighty God pour his blessings on you. And my wishes for you is that your future will hold many dreams to come true and many years ahead be filled with lots of happiness.
When the rain falls.
And hey Charlie, Uncle Sam, how do you do? Well, anyway, so this one's coming from your dad, your mom, and that's Mr. and Mrs. Efisa. Yeah, Uncle Sam, and I feel your husband, yeah, Uku, Date, Uncle Sam of Eskas Tema Community 2.
Baby girl.
24 Gasa na yanko enim. Why maybe? Maybe as a
Well, please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. Papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Hey!
Area system. Asia from now. I know grow wisdom. All right, Eddie. I need that count. You really say no. You're a of Kuchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. That they be a irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because me tia manage na me stress.
Yeah.
Gangnam Style.
Come on. Offer.
Sir, open program one Denny Sham Fast Sports one. T irrigated sports. Adom 106.3 FM. The famous Sir John.
Good. Adaku.
Yeah.
Now, a put what to say.
Oh, I'm doing fine. And let me hear what that.
Yes. And then Mrs. Sample for G. Now, yeah. Not to was it. Only penny crew area the area. Oh, my, you know, be by J. Ah, Eddie, I could to us.
What me do him?
Now, see, I'm money in check.
You know, when you say, La Isra, Asika.
Yeah.
Those whom and Yahoding.
Good.
And I'm a ceremony on behalf of Ohenewa.
Yeah.
Nana Bunzu and Ohene. I'm never seen happy birthday. And Yakande, Bekanage.
Yeah. Edebri. Kwaku, Mary Akwaba.
Majoso.
What is saying?
When Uncle Padumo, you're
good.
Metropolitan,
Oh, it is unofficial.
Unofficial mayor.
Oh, confirmation.
Oh, my. Oh, my. Let me be. Let me share. Let me share. Okay, could have a video. Minimum so my. No, that's all that's ready. Did you?
Sanitizer now, Betty.
Is it the only?
Have you?
Are they?
fufu 10 cedi na wodi system no ma yede wodi di peche ampa
Eric bisam say nti fufu na wodi na ya otua kana am say wo se sa no fo and I'm say why na what to fufu na wodi na wotwa video nya say bia obi di fufu na chew
enti dia na wo sa kese num nyina wo ka na wo tra ho din sa no
enti nga yen den
masa shu ba ko ye say
kwa me ende wo ya uyam so sa na te ya bi yam so because ya na yo anu so na hwe duane na guru no so utimi di nyina dia
kwa me ni sa wo ye training o what am I name wakwa banwi say enanu hu say won tiki fit club bi wo eyo no da bi mo ho no
andi ho da bia
na guys to be down on chen
blue skies ho na am
omo no stretching am say me ne wu di hini wo nwura mo
Nzumi physical trainer kwame akwaba woni nzumi physical trainer
mama me just a minute na me ron yi kakrama body line na onipa ya de osayi da na no ayi na ofri take buy o eti make or the Christmas near no aba etiwe no entra won hihye de ehye wo na ye ni papa nti yenya advert kakrama no eti body line clothing kantamanto na fe eye makola eti no wo de okwa bibia wo de wahye da kofa we no fresh consignment pa ya we no de aba ye de bedi Christmas no
obeye fufuro kra otu
wa shase kra ne ade a chese heavy pa what I say eti pacho obetimi akọ body line clothing on Instagram na wa follow me ye ntade hye ya chese aya na mo kanfo ye nyina ehwa na chese de hye de hye kwaku say if you want more what I say eti bi ye tu chama na ye da wase so ye da wase pa
we no
Ofie take by ya we can they do the buy
we can you
we share it was a Turkish goose
Ofie take by ya
Ofie take ya kala sene na mukama
we so pom pa
me we den flower sa na dia
me say
we na ekọ so obunu modu
there be so onimi size intino
okay
body line clothing
emu ye ndi ya monko na monene ro why
I see so Maradona no na ni mom so na so etu so ye bi neto
na bi ayi ne be hu t-shirt say no to suicide ne be hu t-shirt
za
so ko fo ko mo tu man tie say
na say kra da sa ba fo nkrofo mom na eku nkrofo
ni na de say wo okunu hu be no okunu bi be no okunu na ko kwani try am yesa na usro say be obi dia
so obi ho a
unim say obi ho no mo a eya na ebinom sense of judgment ene the way omusi hu ni o ma fa no
different
emu otia ma men kan sa o ya dia o nhwe nsusu nkokan nhwe tire
so ma twi mu no
instant resource na no si a okuwa na okunu ho ko
mom ya deni de besi no o mom kan the word de besi no
so bo ye bibia kwa block kakra na de besi
ai ne de besi
we sa fe o him ni tiba
ya no mo so no de asi ni nye
enwa na nya wo
se owi ana tire ni so
enya wo dia na waje
yes waje ni so
ni wura wo soro
ko na no fie wura di fie odi ejato ono ani fie mu wie no o sa ko se ne ko ahoma e wo backyard
wo shi fie ko hu asa
ya na so so ko na be sia hu be tro dia o ko sia
na o se ne reason on shi dan ne se
me kai sa story
abro waso ko sia konfu dua bu ya wo
jane
o si fie wo twaja to fie fie pa se na
akwa bi a police o so ko she no konfo ko ya menkenya ha no di akasiye ni bi na haba no di ahoma na so no dasi yana
omo dam
omo trade abasi ni so hu no ma no say yes
ono okofa so ko ko no sa ko kra ne yere
so okukunu hu
yere ta no ni na mo mu ni mo wo na ni kunu ko wo na mo ni kita di
kasi
la je o pe wo bia u
kwaku mi kan ba bi se mra no se ne yakeka ko no se yenya bibidi tete satawala obetuma ko dem be 5 years
oh yeah so lawyers naka
Some na news and news is all wrong.
Now
ANC.
so for the Yaku
ANC.
so for the Yaku
So for the quad in the bed.
So for the
According to lawyers, according to lawyers, no one said Shatawale Koya complain say prophecy na buy into ama as a fear ne panic bi aba no so a ene Cameron man ko
Shatawale showed evidence why such report no several times. About the first person who can Shatawale be who.
On the say yeah can be buy
na aba na
apart from say yenua niama mensa on nsem huna wudi okuru no me enka nokre me sade no yusufu bi ba ha be ye me sade ni bi me sure say o say
also invite
obi aka da bi me kra de enye onu yawo
that is a very terrible thing.
Mental torture ne emotional torture bi e de ma ono se wo hono ma na obi abeka cho se mehu se o baba bewu
because who ya ni ade dam na me wu am nkomo for wiase me mama waso ya magehwe dam anko be the 2 years ni me nko me wu na asa
we dey
Sergio enye o minim so bi nka bi nkyere o dade a se mehu se owo wani owo de obi anim na se onya bebo amani ezekim obani na onioma nyina se wan kantim enye fruit mu a
and I say enye
bokra no obi bo kele sase da brade na ebe
dabi and I say enye na ye that strong how betimi dey gina enti obi o ha ade we keke kra e betimi ama onipa kono kra betimi kra kunu because once ade
me ofra aka sase mtwa ka say de wo hu ye na bo ho mpaye me so bo me mpaye that's all what I say anima bi o ho no mo a
but
because
me wo ebre wo
yeni bi
nkomosi ni sense show the two radio side
no aba be catch us ubi no wa faka ko fia ko di
owo de fani agro
oh yes
owo de obi na ko kuni kwan
o si sofo ye o woso ho ye abrante ya aso opese o ye mpese
adabraga
dabi akwakoko ye sofo kokko ye on de ya na ho ha otimi tifrem na tia fasui and also de ko ye interview anumre na sorry time wo ko no ne papa ye interview o kasa ye fro se no bondi Sergio oni Sergio mo ni chu no ubewu no se o se di o se enye no ntina mba nti de yanka de obeka na we o ne kasa di nkomo wie ya ti o wie ya no pese ja onya mamre no nko o se na ti de meka ya no hanti no se papa o de enye weri nyu na me ko akire na maba was 3 years ni na me da so te yi
da bi enya dia sa
o da bi ba
ni pa so ni bia tama mto bodo VIP so for bia se me komo mi
ese sabre ye social media until TV so ya until ka radio so
and then we are flow and ye hu we na ko pod me de no me nya fine and me wo ko ka kire obi ti ya ko pon so sa wa nya de o ni ba ko ni ma busu ni kwa ku
oi
recorded na what recorded timisim
dabi and on senti yes enti yes o mani momunyi no ofa 7 to o pa wo hwa
sorry
omo ye
papa no esem kom no papa no boss yidi kwa ku tie prophecy ni ye what's your friend Charles
yes
am presenter no kwaka chen say Charles oto ayi so a wagidi ndie Charles ya was ene on yire no hono mo mpae
why
ale so amoni di ana
why that some for person say na papa no se ne kom na wa mo ayi Shatawale di
no bia obi obe ka se bi o nya
it's just not fair boy no anya ni ye Satan so de no ye no some jokes are very very expensive
no me who story na am say no me kai say 18th October na am say prophecy na papa na opeso prove papa na wrong binti na wa shada yes sabe pera me kan
me hu ye na
sabe pera me kan
totas match say we
sabe pera me kan
a big media house so we credible
mo so mo
as if someone say gunshot no bullet is Shatawale abasam
obani entini ye say era of fake news nti ye say bia person trend na say we
first story bia beto
uti bibia na akọ report ye nya ne sa
Obien who says Shatawale ni ayabo ni tuo but the media we have today no me so now I was very very disappointed in the media
but some we disappointed that enye ye pi kire say nipa almost this information about out ni
for yeah
and asem no more report based on say nipa no tweet what I say meba kwame meti hey sisi bibi esi na memfasa ama bibi ana bibi ansi mpo na wa ama adwuma no baba betro say kwame bo ade is no ana mesia come on
you see meba
credible source
meba yes and you see and me ha adwen no eye nanka omo a ebe tuti ade ne people who are nowhere related to Shatawali na and get different thing.
That one.
But look at those people, no.
By a TSC, say you dear him, Baba Trop BB, and for Monpenny. CC na a media houses epic here.
No, because all your credible source.
There's no
credible source.
No, there's no form of verification
at all
before so published story.
Yeah,
and one is out the best of some more details soon.
Yeah.
And not unconfirmed.
But
so free banner more than credible.
But boys here the new
because you the director of communication of last time house.
Yeah.
Nana guy no friend say Nana dope was there. The right hand man.
Nana dope no match no.
The right hand man about trust had they say.
Yeah.
Like you shoot to the hockey can.
But okay, now who say okay me this
talk about
let's just forget about because who say shut up no so can say these two if we are okay sorry to them for using their phones. Yes. So does it mean he used their phones to propagate the any guys now? You see that thing?
In the end, no, as an obegini nyina mo no.
So yeah, definitely.
Obegini nyina mo no.
That's what he's trying to do right now.
What I say, no you boys na film say ono na fa phone dey.
But boys no when phone we need to do so akeke sa.
If ono aka so no na yeah.
Ono fa phone dey yeah. David na me to no dia be fa me phone dia kwa try dia. Any panel so net na bibia
I say Shatawali ama eyo mo
na yari ma me fa phone nya de na de ko type ade de bana afi bi wa be cut to them one and fa phone de ade a
because the first tweet no can we say oh sorry to those people for taking their phone so we start
yeah I mean it's not making
they say I say Shatawali person oso ade so ni nyina na we dey be sre we say emra de emra but
is it when I was saying no
say a woman ya or
justice
MP say when go to two or ya je ni nyina bon say ono an wrong so which means say
that's ono ko jele enye yi enti
ono no wrong
na enti man is do ko jele no so enye yi
oh chata so ko jele be yi so e
kan but enya de abesie
me vampire say they should temper justice
bia akwa fine
na
akwa fine bi na bia fine
but Shatawali
what am munya no munya mo adwuma
sa agudie no onya di
ba say who dey akoya ntika kaka e dey no
DKB
I don't know who dey fatu Facebook na man for me say no that be challenge you
why is this thing coming to you as a surprise Ghana yes o man pani kwa yan fanya no this serious issue about Chrome be the concert
he's a
no Kwame for DKB or comedian no to nchen any serious issues we talk with them including the president at their concert so why are you surprised?
That's what comedians do. We make fun of everything.
Enya comedian and Sam Crawford no to nchen he's not the only person enya omo anya e ba anya comedians ni kwa Ghana for na
another one be kwa me here there na say chimpanzee bi ono da fana shut up pajamas is da fana me pajamas we be share one na say
this we be say that this country
with me creating your and anyway about this year.
I just the on fan maybe say
before say shut no matter what no or credible. I'm follow her. Minim musician who chrome her. What stand supporters.
It's true.
There hasn't been any musician like that. Okay, Lumba Mundi won't league different. The league of the Lumba Mundi are different.
It is in the ground crying saying.
I'm on the end cry and say we be jina baby so kon to kwa mani pa no sa de
see oh Shatawali no me na me ye ono a anka ni ma bi wo hokora no a me nya because e di na owo no Odin.
Sefutu no so dey ayana on.
All the man cry on fantin.
But yeah,
Oh, betre no kwaya on.
Cheme kwaya memvazo vire, cheme kwaya memvazo.
Because we call a Instagram no 4 million followers.
Also I say
but all the same no.
I say when
Men can't see me be out.
So no you say the can never.
Ole me twa so. Yeah na kotoko gina kono.
and a match
papa.
Ah, Kwame.
I want to buy a training so kono baby.
Na no e fun.
A house ko Africa.
Oh, na history bi amete pa ya mede. Lawyer Kwambo Africa asem bi me na metie no. O see 70 something bi of Africa Cup na e dey ma o mo ba nti o nya sa slot no koi. Womo kono kotoko donate sika ma wo mo sika wo de betwa plenty di bia didie akosa ade aba.
Ahona ka me ba say.
Kama ne kan wi mpacho.
Ena kotoko de ma has. Hesa abre no kotoko papa ya has nyina chi wo nya entonsu kura ma ya abre kobo Champions League da. Womo tena ho esa tutia yetimi the score line ba ye ne work of Morocco Kumasi 2-1 started Monday near match is on Sunday 2-1 sa
I saw food Joshua can was an essay yeah
azeme na okay
aye bibia wi born 3-0 obani kwa de bi mi en saba park
Brother Joshua
adana ye ball
Brother Joshua
oh ye bibia yeah, but Jamaica. So that's at no capital radio.
Yeah, no capital radio.
Obeni, no before say bebo match na papa ejremu bomba. One call. One no too fast okano. Then no call work.
Ayi, ana papa ya wanya nyame fare kra nsie in the name nya no.
Na we two draws go fresh of.
Na bi o say
ana ma invite no.
No be am friend, me come no come fast work quarter na ni.
Make us a pack a bomb mako.
Yeah. So obi one man na around that dance na okura service nim.
Yeah.
And I said service so you need bibia editua.
David. Yeah. And I saw unya me enchiro. And almost na excellent no. E be din say obechire process.
Yeah. E ho de minim ho asem mum.
E be din pa. As ono na e bechire. To no so obechire.
Oba get to cry here obeye eyi.
Ana am cry turn so on bechire mo sa no cry no aya puduo no on tan so de we ka crazy na
almost odi jatu mo shire no mo gira ho no mo so humi wusie no we so wo jam na ko free sa ai so wusie no
kwaku
ai so ono ba so chese o en ron an
wusie be jam na ko di be twa dia so sa be se wusie no be ko kwa re o boa
se players no fa mo bo na me ka se kotokofo ye ne mo na bo league no okrom ase mo be nyes ka cry has match bia mo boy ya enipa ba ya mbotom ye ma bia no e has of
na mo mbotom ye ma de team ba ya
enne nya ya o manen ka sanwi sika mo ade abra has of mo je na akwantu papa mo tu ade anu onyama bra
ye ko ne je ko so mo ka fa na mboa
obani
ye ga fa na
wadaroma
ye ba ko one after the other open ibram
wadaroma em say Kwame asemo kan enye bole
okay
na
oi eya manenkasa isre wa manenkasa oi
enye bone senka unua etukwan na obeprepra ho kakra wo na odi amam but kwa minim se oyin etukwan ye wakontum dada ena Dubai so Dubai ye mobile money mafie
ase opariam
ati ase
so down manenkasa mai
the video is open so sika
asobli
no ye kra na ni team ni ye no nta empone mai za
Dr. Swan Kobi
den
Dr. Kobi kwamchi an Kobi bo
debe
nti uni wa de monye nkasa mo peka kra
na da mu hiska
unim e wo kam nti ka me kire mu na nka mo akwaje
sky e wo kam ye van ko Africa
ayi awako sika yi
so tro has been
no coach no ayi Olympics coach ni say da bia no petututu osi ni fie ni say nti oni mpanimfo nkasa na omo mfa ha sisika no enkomom no nya kwan e me bɔ no bo Olympics na why na adwen say yeah
ade na oye no eye enkurase niema say ka frache nyansa bia no manusi kwaku yeti kromo say ope player amana be bo team a ye procedure ye fa so oni team wo mu ni kokasa no wadi na no say we sika be so a no akotua na ade na ba Olympics mom na enam grant interview say wo so wani enye wo has na wo pro Olympics abo enti no omwo amamo
kwa me wi ama
wi
Saka ya di okura
mami mrem
Abelino
ni hu asem o de mami nka me Abelino opani unse charge credit bo be den sa pepepe na wakodi akwakoye They say nasem na oka no ba kwa ko hunu odas eno ko kind of professional way baby.
Anya volume na bedroom. You been down volume na da. You sleeping tablet.
What I say? Otini baby that they born boy. No only problem. Oba has him say ono ahu bibia ompe agree. Na omo physical mbra.
When you
say on the turn back.
You ever turn
Eddie am Olympics. But me sure say has the agent or ton play am Olympics. Olympics mean to. It's a kobasa dia wan boy no.
The carrier no.
Ono so no onya bofra o. Awako ye so Messi mu ya afi no mu sisu yo. Obo Ghana league ya
banda. TP Mazembe no akobobo
Mazembe ni adiaba. Eti o me kase ni footballing years cry no check e aka be 4-5 years.
You know boy we.
So
Eji awo kanu.
Kennedy say
interview.
Kennedy say for mumu number man na on peka krama mo.
The guy situation
especially say nani amobobo ya. Nipa 2000 meba nipa 2000 penalty bit ma bastage. We am just say muska mo nya grenu 5000 Ghana.
Dan yo mo je league ya boy. O mo de FA Cup kan o mo de cup no chini o mo di ko mo krofo so nyina. Di o mo nya kura nu kuku ma.
Ko de wo. Usa man we are. Ono ka se de wo nya ya ndi kukuma.
We got somebody consensus ka.
Why din to us how pe group ah. We are
and bro.
Ojai.
Do you say say club ya na ka ye J FA Cup, J league for the past 11 years ye bi na ka ji ya. Kasi se nka atam na nke ye baby so dey as
ya abo in first match na ye boni.
Yes.
Ko se ska oba bia. Me na se ko for met my adoma. Se na ko for dom ye mo ye bi.
So official page no was with.
Ko yin.
Ani ade ko akosia
boss na ewe.
Bobo so na man for ye dwuma ha ma work for no na. Omo anto amfom.
Bobo so
masa selection na
Radi Avwaka on to ejina.
Rodi Ovoka.
Akwa players mu ni mu enza.
Ko ya kan fo
Robert Adusowa.
Ya bobo wuti wa fono so be wi na.
No be wi ni siate.
Robert Adusowa ojina mu Mohammed Hassan so ejina mu na Emmanuel Nate so ejina mu Frederick Ansa Boche ono so ejina mu Salif Ibrahim ejina mu Daniel Free ba na ejina mu na Kofi Koji ono so ejina
Metro Kofi Koji
na Isaac Mensah so ejina mu.
That's the first you know omo boy na.
Kwaku sai 11 when you dey call.
Bench no so ye ho amon.
Oh so they can be bench dey omo hu say dey here be say. So far dey unya first 11 na ano na we dey kwaku si akan no. Kwaku say
enka ho am ye hu say enka ho na aka say hu hia dia.
Oh bench there so normally area bench there no.
Kwame, so team bench nya o bre papa. Obi pra kwa na de be
change changes back about this obi na mu abu kotokoti tiu. So when you say again na for mo kotoko. Kwaku we so mo obi an be bo house ani nyina kwanda.
Mo bi ani o.
Sa God I can see there.
Memoa me hu.
Enano ayi aba ye say.
Minim se no okobobo so okọ.
Dabi e asempa pa o. So okobobo. Abdusalam akasa ono se o mo assign no.
Okoto sele we. Say no. Understand? Players omo invite omo ba so omo ne team ni training. On the first person and the coach no e fa no.
Okobo
I was signed 2 years.
Okobo your friend say justify your inclusion. And I'm a fan of say omobo.
Yes.
And that shut here justify no Okobo. They were playing. And Abdusalam no the skills near there and how the guy plays like a professional footballer. I don't know say I'm putting in a team now bet me up one now no so one cry it has been his dream. Yes,
footballer sir.
Oni eso ni bobo. No so no aka so obi a won hye da ni honam ne ho ha. Ne body ne sports body. Ati ase. It skill no ho nko ade a se obey discipline abobo no de no ne asam no.
Ya tie ne se mo se ayifo legonfo science am waja. On latter part on the career now go for a sign. I'm going to boost team no in a way I'll be out until they go sit crown start talking about it because someone was there. The better say
also say brand ambassador for team
no actually training watch your training session. Oh that be tie Kwame enye ye ncheni de na maker omo training session videos no watch be after signing, on training session videos. Men can say on team for 2 pass. I say men like
but so person be pampa dia do bebre. It should especially from next year going, no be nyan emphasize from the cinema straight to
when I say who is that
Brian can am saying how age na ya say na also bobo kan
say
the way me answer me bia say ya na nka kwa
but me age am 1 minute say me manyi say my clock 40 and 40 na feel na
say na utwa mu ache
I feel na ko 20 team
na say Ibrahimovic na no ya no nya 40 oda so bo
Abramovich
Brakadabra
akwala no nkwa fum wan kwa chin so da yeko no me sane akwa bi that is saying why the man I'm happy for the guy because Africans are thinking and I think that's good but who say you know aduane aya gas no you bon ka too much to why that is saying and what chemu mienu I bet man no stew and you PC at the same time so we make out here the go can no for na clip on here Fato Facebook kuna
but and also and once I'm because
yes
because we before cry version no who say wrong bibi say what the batch SCB so na area wo chi na bi hu other side one ra ba ko be ma ba hu watch because who say eja no say the obe nya no say be ma we be no enye the same eja na
I say you ma to dey nya ya to ade kwa ku dare say ya nya wa kwa ye Africa for your car gas so I chamber for that saying what me am any man you
we caption crowd be am no crowd no crowd na nya no crowd because beans no ano eja nya na ye bi dey do rice no was it
na port class and construct
I say construct okay manufacturers right here was here to cook rice and beans at the same time because of high cost of, you know
yes you been going to go to my
ebia on power ese odon
adi amempe kra
ebia na se bia nkwai no be no mienu wo mu da ani problem
ebia oye oro light soup no ha na ebia eno kran kat ye say you too much ebe no pa
is it
I na mo pesa abrabo ye complicated sir
I dream part when you
you mu na ba mu ne mu
am for ye card ready on 2 hours
oh just essential no
gas the book about
coming the idea is not bad but you see how cost efficient and no yes because you end up burning one na ba ko so ye well yes na duane ame no ani mienu na and require the same year be dey na be fa
be fa say oh yeah MPC and now you stew
Kwame what the Biden PC is super level of heat now we here to boil it no and you be na
we na asiashi
ba ko be free
invention
ba yire we mu a we had the fuck be ba yana na ubehwie nsuo no
invention onye foforo
you see what the one by here and now the first body and PC be apim bi na we na makers at the same time now we used to other side na we na wo be so hu nsuo no what the fuck be we what the fuck be here fi mu aka say
still na fi ma good break
inconvenience
my we dey you tell no the about the boy pesa
amfa ebi amono kura say amoni wheat no no ampa still amfa
this oil rice water no akakuku
yes that is I don't amfa this is on my side video ehura I said they have been
information side yamani bi
zamaka
opening susu na yeso kokko to
yes ya pan konko hede
why so na dream bi
funny man we topic na odi
da bia no odi na ba ko
story
so dey bia amfa
story na on to be nyanto ase na
my friend gave me we topic funny face tells code
So I didn't
now we know be already to for the to buy the passport ko Instagram.
O da ke dia wo bi dada.
Na dey one for je no ya for that this.
Do person trust o ma ka say me ko bra be yo ni bia na.
Yeah, to for prominent people ko di na bola rate the baby one count.
Do person trust o ya radio say me ko bra be di atem ni bia.
They make out here. And some okay na no ya.
How me hu say
o de twa me kwa so ya ba me ba de
no so bia pa na fa safuaze dia wona ni ze twa ada
na ma bo na
you hu bi da
Obedu atem sisi ya. Obedu ya. O no wabo.
Very sad for my brother, but so some.
O say you are
Ngam ga so o se shayo. Matias ya.
Ba ya nya no bia. O say no fofo na mu ka ze isu de. O ye bibia.
They say adi a show be mo so ni nukra.
We na last week.
They say do mo ye ne den.
Yeah, you say go say back can see so come.
E do be say
how many months?
E do be say o house ni na.
So
Ah, o come see so na ni me sia. O kra o ya ba ni na ni.
Me de ndi shia na mo mo say
No problem. One so get too fast.
to fa ono no en sa to fa so wen.
kaka no.
Yeah, come see so ye.
Oh.
E no na wa ye unso de biem.
O dey that show say just what dentist.
Do you better how many months?
Get on close to 2 years now. We are not dancing.
Yes.
So call retirement na
A process.
Me wa me ya de me. Eh, na di we be bo bo sa.
They want to be a baba.
I'm saying you be sha di be 20 years old.
Oh, estimated 2 years.
Now the person utua to anka ha de no na ha de say ho de.
That's my idea of honor.
Hami and coming for your money. Come to your credit matter as well.
That be me. That be boarding tea. You boarding but ana how no dey.
and this wa kwa bi and just eh say mu mi na mpesa mo ka mo se mo.
They tell say how they say kai ma na yema na go. Because na sa na you put effort na.
Kwame. How say udi dey bi ko she wa na say
dental formula ni enye good affect your speech affect everything.
It was speech one kasa free to be on the scene.
Ya kwa say no. Ya madu bi ko kasa wo ba bi akase akase.
Dia o kasa be akase ko si o wonti ana.
Conference kase. It no say
I am money.
You need to look good.
Because all complaining.
Any kasa person look good. Men kasa a house set it. A house is it.
Well, someone when you sika. Popular nku.
Issues but nebo to be anko be pray adwuma akra no metwa body person 50
o de bo fope
munyina ya dentist
bo fope o de bo fope
de be kan o tiase ya pa ni my just na chenko na ma
enye ko chenko o de tese chenko onyi da seni
wana kasa kwa no invite no we class na ni manyinya ni anya
no so dia no obri
tu invitation ta obri e kwa
ah ni din bo no na
de okodo so ba
no okay Senegal player no so no minim French players no minimum de kuda ya na ha o musa de to ai mandi se ba kwa fa kwa Senegal player ba ko so ya chere sa
to so kwa fa kwa
so ka de akwa na ya shawo akwa ron na player ba national team je ko ma be fa the picture na ma na just say I don't know
so ko fa kwa da
yes ti am match no
abio na o se o so ye jantre ni no isi na akola de o se ko jantre
according to now hom pasha wo race 12 years 13
and no put jantre
we dey who ni yes no
and now content mo pa
me content ko
me fam you no ba ko tia 12 years
o mo mere
na wo ma ni ho
enti no wo ye player now ko fa bi no who so ye star let no talk kasa okra no
dabina okay so why I don't know allow am to do it
course no enhwe ho gana bra no
dabina omo za ashawula I don't know man kwala na yi
ma ashawula la re obi dia yo reverend yo obi adia
matwa ma
and also so wata dia tiatia mo so dot onya so na so dot for obi hwe mo do ko
boy no samia me ya your friend no sa a just one national team only player ketwa Nani said all say about football kwa kuduno. Pedie ni kakra kwa hwe.
Akwali bi wa kwa say na so.
No.
Ameka se me no kwa bi ncho na me ko ma se. Me ko kira V night club. And I'm coach here again. Obani, then you get it 3 minutes. Na me get number. No sort here, my finish station.
Kwame pa.
See, I get change na me stand for car me go regular. Me feel get because the week. No come.
O chiwo.
Because the chiwo the thing na my so me.
Oni a.
No water. And the area me need to. I get change na Monday. Because me go can hear pa.
Media years are fire. I say we are media years are answer for
at no outside now okonsu ah then is no what sitting who dey do come at this time there
okozi ala
eti okonsu
why na pipe in drama
ah what dey na make am ti go okonsu me ni na edidi nkomo ni na obobo nya na san make kasa ana me ni na o be back time ben ono so obeko school na dey go school na o check obeko school tin we dey work we dey on check say o dey school JSS2 and was so weak.
Enjoy my pet now club.
Killer V like a family catcher, I bet 10 years ago. Don't get a killer V, a general. It's like my John Crono, and I said, Bianca in home. And maybe a mere Sebia, the name for a beer, Saturday to host it. It's really funny to call you roommate. To me, I said, I did see a man doing one of the Beato. Yes, I do won't be on. I heard you. Now,
said in a bush and a statue.
They say, according to the whole way, yes, it's near. Because oh yes, it's too bad. Man, don't come to free to now.
In a pub.
So, enti to the be any players one.
Football yan ka obo na uduru baby. Na sika be dun se man ka fa papa preko.
De ma me che ni awanti.
Ya za kwa ni hwa wa hwi wori ntiri je. Oh, share say.
In what sense now? Uncle Fanny free university.
Na say wa unim say bia
for the girl to meet this guy who is a national team player. I just say, "Girl, what you wa call me?"
Na ba me say baby what dey fa ho example dey. What dey wa akra baby wa do yi. Na nti wo dey fan senti sa dey na apese oye na ntu ko for banti. JHS ni ba na ntu be ko fan. Ana say SS ni ba.
Ya obi o say na pen kwada. O te be so akwada bi tiri present o mo say mpanimfo.
But oya kwara
that's the point I want to make.
Obo.
Oba den wo hu.
Ti ne ho ne moto hye no nti.
Ya say kwada nya moto me yese. Akwara o ba say o
wo dey o. Oba we.
Na kwada so ya say ni ne moto me yese. No dey be twi ne ho kwara.
So yesusu fasi eye.
It wey dey play and now say be my real.
But I'm just the side and dey agwa bedam.
Na na kwara sa.
O mo dey o mo fani agwa kwara.
The law kwa profo come me. The law
Lord, I mean, made them with the OG. The law was me.
The law. Ignorance of the law is no excuse.
Diana person can add the law. Sorry, the law for the law no go. I was your first like a sema Airtel Tigo or the Tugu Misu promo no aba. It is raining cash everywhere in Ghana. If we sabe akopem December bosumi no no. Cash na edwagusa every hour, every day, every week, every month. Na grand cash prize nankasa ni 100,000 Ghana cedis. It could be yours. There's how you answer by dial star 500 hash. That's star 500 hash. Now I recharge you with 5 cedis or more. Now what you sue are the akasa kasani they are not for bundle purchase and usage. You know so no. We use to Airtel to go money transactions no so now. Or build a point. Secret about who say yeah in daily SMS trivia no. Bet me the one should be 30 pesos per ube gaining more points. LTA ya also to me and cash EBD and ya check baby. So just dial star 500 hash to enter the Airtel to go Misu promo now. So we need BBA only this number 0260 000 100. That number we pay any other is simple. Kale charcoal toothpaste. Papa. Toothpaste edi bidie charcoal yani edi aye. A clear stains one time. Into say befe whiter teeth and one sem na make when you're good if you Samara Company Limited. Kale charcoal toothpaste. Happy smile. Kasapreko Company Limited at the promotion kwaba. Now why the year pa when I say come who be we amazing promo. Offer Kesepa near the Magana phone now. A free Sabria copim the 30th of November 2021. Auto 1,000 packs of a combination of Puma drinks, fancy drinks, royal drinks, and a fit 10 over 10. 100 packs near the actual free.
Gangnam Style.
It's ready to phone it to Mumuni ve. Namusani ve goi and fantastic income. Rakodapo. Yeah, war. Spinkters. Afe Kumase Tanoso, Techima, Ho, and Atamale. That's how amazing offer way at the hotel. Kai said, a sort of 100 packs of combo and on a Puma drink, fancy drink, royal drink, and now 10 over 10 drinks. Now when you're 100 packs, free assorted products in Abeodia. Terms and conditions apply. The patrol phrase is here 050-162-074 and our face 050-156-2072. Kasapreko, a step beyond excellence. As they do a young farmer, Go TV. And they Go TV say more Cassia. Say Obetimia connected on Go TV. Now I enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, and our favorite Premier League matches. Nina connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. While bro using my Go TV app. Now they're calling their bed now, so they will be Go TV. Love it. As they do a young farmer in boost Herbal Mesha, aka Police in a Bruno. In boost Herbal Mesha, aka Police in a Bruno. Papa. When you be a more immune system, no way then. Enti area mo bo basa. What I say? Infections been a bar system whereby now wa fight no pa na ko. Enti area no enche umpo no akotwa duranom. We so dey say oyare o onyare o utimi numbi. In boost herbal mixture aka police nedo. Eye dirty works ni nyina. Unya introduce a draw into your system. Eno akọ nipadua no parts ni nyina. Na wakwa hwehwe baabi a ohun se problem bia o baabi a na wakla ni na afi o kama titam bia na mo a ho den Kings Walk Herbal, Equus Pharmacy, Widama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at West St. John's, and our football room or Little George Health Shop and also Tema Community 5. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and our 0246 208 496. Now, I'm Fado Dobia in Yabian Sumo. Patrol Records Night Jumedino Air Basso and Chebiana are landed then. Yami Adom Sunday, the 24th of October 2021. Any other bro? Yes, the Salt and Light Music Ministry and your favorite choir, the Harmonious Chorale Ghana, and this Anshewe Ebro Records Night, bringing you your favorite choral and classical hits from back in the day, reminiscing the tune you loved most. Yeah, Nina, bro. Theme there that you made, and I said, Lord, you've been our dwelling place in generations. In all generations, for you to fear Psalm 90 verse 1. Or try not just a way, no, a bear live virtual concert. I best streaming our Harmonious Chorale on my YouTube channel. And so on Sunday, the 24th of October 2021, 6 p.m. sharp. So make sure you subscribe to the Harmonious Chorale Ghana's YouTube channel. Now, sweat me don't watch it. Movie. For further information, phrase 0268 130 615 and our face 0243 588 467. Sounds now bit me our phrase 0302 772 013. Now, ya Joe, so come on, pa. Baby, not more dumb. I don't know what I'm saying. Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady. Open
Gangnam Style.
All right, the woman say DSTV say more kasi say season 2 of Sankofa on Aquaba Magic. Good den pa obetimi I enjoy be and I feel exclusive Europa and Conference League matches no so no go on Super Sports and the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills on so go on One Magic and the unbeatable DSTV app no boy multi manage your accounts so you can watch on the move and also jam den and I brought fresh box office movies every week. Now the 6th reason is I ultimate subscriber in the 10th month of the year and they say DSTV catch up home. So if you miss an episode of your favorite series, bet me abanwa samba be share what I say. And premium subscribers so bet me Showmax added for free. So and the 8th reason compact and compact plus subscribers and so bet me Showmax for 50%. And then the 9th reason captivating and educational kids content yet need naso bro mofrano. The last reason, the 10th one, I say EPL, La Liga, and official our games ni now so no on Sabit Miaka on DSTV. So go on and buy a DSTV decoder with installation and 1 month access subscription for only 169 Ghana cedis. Equally with me agreed to compact with an additional 108 Ghana cedis. Open source top of just send DSTV to short code 1731. Your best sort your DSTV. This is your moment. And no, awesome. And no. A quick one. Nafi Yemfa de Aka and Trasugusuti 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Na Ashley AJ or na Ashley AJ. Ubia from na Otema Community 7. A happy birthday, Uncle Emma Wefi Eye Osenkafuado, and then Fred Apo and Chen and Omo Ede Ewe Show. A happy birthday. And no actually no happy birthday so and come out Mrs. Esther Nyakwa Osei Abuaje from the entire family. Angel, Junior, Doris, and then your husband, Mr. Clement Osei Abuaje. Eke twe. Also we show happy birthday pa nyame we show no your kese. Odo you te on catch bruta. I do believe say ohoye na bibia so fine. And this one here also says please help me celebrate these two fantastic ladies. They are Mrs. Princess Otu at a Shaman Sun City Global, and then Mrs. Sarah Jackie or Jackie at Nungwa. I said this is coming from Stella, aka Lady Bash. Okay, yo, and then na yanfa Lady Bash the NC way na yanhwe. We so or say good evening Jerry, please wish my mother-in-law to be my mother-in-law to be ask her the assembly a happy birthday. We thank God for her life and for giving birth to a beautiful daughter for me to marry. Ask her trainer what may God bless her and preserve her life. May she live to enjoy the fruits of her labor. From Askia and Nana Ama Gifty. Iti on say Askia wakasa kasa ka mother-in-law ni dini krawanka. Okay, so mother-in-law your friend Rose Bobo. Iti Madam Rose Bobo. Happy birthday to you. Obey one man Askia waren there one radi BCBC. Tinyame ya Adom on the 6th of November and omo wedding also baso den eye yenu abema Emmanuel Nimpon aka Askia one gifty Bobo ena omo ede sanshewe ehihye so ewo eye Revival Assembly of Revival Assemblies of God Church, yeah, ewo Tema Committee 5. It's on the 6th of November ena sanshewe so ebeba sunti. Wishing you guys all the best. Say nyamen come on come boom fe kama pa nyamen shram. All right, so yeah, ni say we there na yɛde bɛtwe ha na de aka bia ne de aprechi na nche bia nso no yɛasɔre so yɛakɔpɛ baabi atena na ɔkyerɛ nyame de kyɛn ya yɛde de aka abɛtoa so
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me si fitai guso na me sre a. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e de aye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me de magic Kale Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me issue na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom cafe, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Aba ma mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA adi ejodi nka to ya tomo.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense wa beka ho.
Ahwade immune system o Nyankopon, e de ready peduano samwa ho ban no. Enna sa wonum Imbusaba Mesa e peja immune system na bribia. Ya yare ntimiu. Sese die, amanfo dodo no a na di Imbusaba Mesa do ne ho dance yesen. Enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so, ene nyarewa kese anka ya wuti ne din ene ho ka. Na yemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpa omo wanyarewa ne dada na omo nom doctor enuro no ennom Imbusaba Mesa no a emo mo ahoade pintin ya wo mo ntimpo se yare ahye omo ho Imbusaba Mesa ewo kansi ene o mai mu babia ye to enuro atufo mfre 0246 208496 FDA ahyehyɛ sɛ adwadie nkrato yi magye atomu sɛ ye.
Oh boy, now why they chase you? Chale many ho. As I say, me rush do fear see games were ho. Nothing Thursday. Now, cause I say, Go TV Thursdays I had the rough. UEFA Europa League and Dasso and the UEFA Conference League in Sutia. Wow, when now Go TV so? Nanka, Minia. Go TV live with the 89 Ghana cedis benya decoder. Now upgrade called Go TV Max so. Now we enjoy games in na. Switch called Go TV. Essence Go TV na Europa. Any conference league fee. Hey, now why Jamie came here? Sell to new decoder. Text the Go TV cost short code 1731 and now stay connected. Now manage your account from my Go TV app no so. And she shake a crowd. Go TV, love it.
Sami sorry no pa. Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me si fitai guso na me sre a. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Oba de ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e de aye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me de magic Kale Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me issue na no pa. Ya na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibi na ma. Na me si 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom cafe, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Aba ma mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA adi ejodi nka to ya tomo.
Me Daisy Susan bibiara meye.
Me ye ni ame ma meye bia.
O Susan sani ame siesie me ho.
Me siesie me ho te se no.
O Susan sani ame ye adwuma.
Me ye me homework te se no.
Sani ame kasampo. O Susan. Hey Daisy. Enti minim se me pese me man no better life. I just say me also me ye better. Enti o hu se me no me better malta. O hwe so no so woni de woni nse. Mama eni age. Na Daisy nso eni age. Better malt. Be better every day. This advert is FDA approved.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! If you when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With Soccer Bet, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With Soccer Bet, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer Bet, your best bet for sports betting. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
I just got myself a new TV. Wanna watch football on new series. HD plus decoder there for me. I see I'm clear, crystal clear. Quality pictures you can't compare. Feely, 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 feely. Now you dey see I'm feely, 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 feely.
Now you dey see I'm feely, 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 feely. You dey see I'm feely, feely. HD Plus gives you control to search, pause, reverse, and record your favorite shows. Now, when you download the My HD Plus app on your mobile and link it to your HD Plus decoder, you get free data to watch TV on the go every month. Visit any multi-TV dealer or Electroland outlet to purchase an HD Plus decoder at a limited offer of 99 Ghana cedis, 99 pesos, and stay in control of your TV viewing. HD Plus. Enjoy feely, feely.
Honey. It's office sa unkuana when him Aquataps full safe and salad name you about udini de piano. Aquatap full safe. And I'm a door home. I send away you.
Almost also Aquataps water purification tablets. Omwa, omode ebulu munsio, efomunsio, surunsio, any isia, and one tea, a dear one da deduma, emfa or how be a embrace. Osanko de isud mapum within so in here yepa. And until amato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yet me de paper surfaces beer, Emma and Hote. Nunti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers, and if you feel Aquataps Abama Mose, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Edredi and Kratui Atum.
Ago class. Mental. Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu na.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efie di nunum aye ne mo atena ewo eniji mu ni. Osa British ya yi di mu no. Yeti Hyundai Sonata mono chia baako edienunum. Eni sika chedi bebre ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa MTN no mane frɛ wadofo no. Na kasa fa text fa browse. Fa sika na fa send sika ewo momo no so emprepi. Enum na wobenya points a wobetimi di Hyundai Sonata edienunum a eye mono chia no mu baako. Eni sika chedi pi. Posumi bia ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Star 156 eni ya. Na se wakwentu a wodi bedi achedi kesi di ase ewo MTN in Kwanso everywhere you go.
Dream ya me say sa covid ebedi so afebo nanso ya ben pa say ye be di sunkunim akaka kra bi mum nanso ye ndruye enti ye dru so a kowo wo pane no se wo pese wo kotwa skydiving e wo ko bi po so a kowo wo pane se wo pese wo be ko stadium a e ho abo mape no wo baaje wo ball boku a wani ji ho pa no live a kowo wo pane na wo pese wo ni wo twotwombutu e ko bia ya yi sini anwumre bia kowo wo pane na yetumia ben adofo nom e be hia se ye nyina be dwumadi enti ko wo pane no ema ye nyina Ghana man wo me yemfa hoden tadwumadi achi everywhere you go se wo pem kransha call onemorepushafrica.com enkrato yi free MTN any yellow hope
Masa, Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio. Share. Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is chance. Yes, me use Bright Garlic Plus. No, men sanity Ninano, Meniswa ne Chirimi, and Menuma Tuninano, a giant winning now, dear Seme.
Bright Soldier. It's me general body pains. Nasam Waba. And Obama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasem Quina.
Hey, na.
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and a herbal shop for Biamu Bright Soldier, and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. Ewonungwa Dogon, last stop, SA Junction. Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261-651-898. Bright Garlic Capsules. Yedro Tatashi. FDA. Ashisha sa Ejadian Kratui Ajatum say.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap Milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap Milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Precious one, I'm Bishop Charles Ajinasari. I'm coming to this 10th anniversary of the Pastors Kids Conference. Beloved, Pastors Kids are very special. They are a unique class of people because their parents are called and their parents are separated unto God to work for Him. There are many challenges that Pastors Kids go through by virtue of whose children they are. I'm glad to announce to you that I'll be the main speaker, speaking on the Father's blessing and to pronounce a blessing on anybody who is a minister's child of an apostle, prophet, evangelist, pastor, teacher, an elder, deacon, deaconess. You are invited. Join me on the 23rd of October from 9 a.m. at the Perez Dome. Your life will never be the same.
Host and convener, Reverend Francis Ajinasari. This program is non-denominational. To register, call +233 5500 68632. Powered by Precious TV.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap Milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap Milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Ya yening in dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too. And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof, eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Oh ma, patromenya milk kakra mi Milo ni mwana.
Na waka ahwe.
Dabi na sme hu sa odi biagumu.
Hey, ka wan no hwe ansa na we bisame.
Hey, milk na chemu say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho bibia wo mu.
Milo all in one a milk bebre wo mu dada. Ne hia ne se wodi nsu befra, no ati nwani nomu de a cocoa papa, ne malt and a milk bebre a de ahye sachet ba komu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDA dreading kratoi atumu.
I don't know what to get for my mom on her birthday.
I think I need something unique and authentic for the choir this year. Ooh, for me, I want a beautiful African print fabric to be used as souvenirs for my engagement.
Babe, we need to get Dad a new shirt when we visit him this weekend.
For your authentic Woodin fabrics and ready-to-wear outfits made from exclusive designs, visit Woodin retail shops nationwide. Feeling good in Woodin? Make your loved ones feel good too.
Woodin, le créateur.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Na wokwa say he na no me bofo awo sopunim ene ma foforo na ade ahye mu ma say to wedi lotana
Akweli, me hinta some advanced Ghana savings and loans.
Advanced Ghana savings and loans. Ento obetumi aboa me mama nya bosia bua madwuma yi mu.
Ani?
Menzie sika wo hoyi. Obetumi aboa me.
Oni how gra. Advance hwe ne sanso na bosia to nema gu shop mu. Ana wato mfidi foforo. Ana wo de akoyi oniama wakra ba. Enye den kra. Wadwuma mponto gina advance. Aha, wotie. Wo bo menkaye. Won saka deposit bia me fa momo account no so. Akugu wo mobile banking service ni mu. Enti wetumi sika sem tutu nyina. Efi mobile phone so abri biara.
Wow!
Matias Samdapa. Na bro Kofi. Mende hu advance foi.
Call Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and Krabate Duonu ewa Omaya Fana Bebia. For toll free 0800 355 355. Ana anyone in Kitahon or Abefwe Fidient and Tankasi and so www.advancedghana.com. Advanced Ghana. Yanewu nyini bom.
Munia, yet to unlimited course of Vodafone Red so no one yana.
Jack, me too no expiry of Vodafone Red.
Hey, star 200 hash me wa. Hey, Matthias here, when you be what?
Vodafone Red, no lie. Koko to me top man do you be kasako e browse it.
Vodafone Red, star 200 hash system. Cecilia, ye kasako no ne browse. Star 200 hash, ma we unlimited course ko Vodafone to Vodafone so. Data boom full. Talk time be bria we be friend now for 4 more other network so we and Sado a bonnet da from now we know sika home faso on so Vodafone ready there we know but star 200 hash na you package ya a yamao a free one Ghana city aircraw Vodafone.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Say donut, 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 donut. Hey, donut, 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 donut. Donut, donut. Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till no not now. Malaria chill. Oh, popo. What do you do? I want you. No not. A dabako. No not. A damian no. No not. A damian sa. No not. No. No not. Scatter malaria. Lonat, it is scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yen shishemu hu se malaria wa wumojam ansana wanum Lonat. Na nam yen search na malaria no daso wo ho a ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Ofie Kwanso, Ofie Kwanso, with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
And a birthday shots going out to Joseph and Megache. Anyway, what's the name of the other lady back on already? I guess you're leaving come to match you. No, apart from Hetty back on Ella, on a try dinner me move. I mean, him say, Dino said, I don't know. You are 20 years old today, and this one's come from your brother, Clement, Amegache, and Ella, and they are saying they are wishing you God's blessings on your birthday. So happy birthday going out to you, Joseph Amegache. Yeah. I can't show that, but this is just to remind you one more time. Say, DSTV said, amount 10 reasons to subscribe in the 10th month of the year. Now, why should no one who dare call any dear Benina on DSTV? Reason number 1, I say this season 2 of Sankofa Bro Kwaba Magic. So, reason number 2, Europa and Conference League matches, no so a Basso on Super Sport. Reason number 3, the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and also they brought on One Magic. Reason number 4, the unbeatable DSTV app that helps you manage your account and watch on the move. Reason number 5, fresh box office movies every week. Reason number 6, DSTV catch up. And you know that if you miss an episode of your favorite series, well, I'm so bet me on DSTV catch up. And then the 7th reason, premium subscribers Benya Show Max added for free. Reason number 8, Compact and a Compact Plus subscribers and so Benya Show Max for 50%. Reason number 9, captivating and educational kids content and also by all the and the final reason, EPL, La Liga, and face your games now so share on DSTV. So go on and buy a new DSTV decoder with installation and 1-month access subscription for only 169 Ghana cedis. Better yet, you can upgrade to Compact for an additional 108 cedis. For now, Chrono. Just send SMS and I say send the Go TV for 1731. DSTV, this is your moment. Everlasting. In the next 3 minutes, it's going to be checkout time. Near the news, I'll trust our bro. A very big thank you going out to Vodafone. Also, they say, the good morning offer number. Now, the good morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone number, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, and 500 MB of data. Nina, the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial star 543 to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana city. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone, together we can. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that will surely take us to checkout time. Bouncing out to make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. God willing, we are back again same time tomorrow for the Thursday's edition of your own show, Ofie Kwanso, only on Adom 106.3 FM. Until then, as like I say, I'm coming munina say muje bread na mutie jumedi free no me and sabre bepem sabre. I mean sure munina. As they do on comma. Everything I do is Papa Bills, Africa, Jamestown, Jeko. Ebi nkoma Kwame Oboade. I wonder why did I have to go? Ebi nkoma